In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Disney Plus. So it depends on exactly what you need to change, whether it's a billing region, available content region, travel settings, etc., or if you move to a new country. So if you're traveling to a new country, Disney Plus automatically switches its library to that country based on your location. So you don't need to do anything. Your account will still work, the library, audio, and subtitles will change automatically, and billing stays the same. However, if you're in a situation where you move to a new country permanently, then unfortunately that process is going to be a little bit more annoying. So in that instance, what you need to do is you need to cancel your current Disney Plus subscription and then wait for it to fully expire, which is really important. And then you're going to need to sign up again in the new country. So I know it's like one of the most like dumbest things ever, guys, but unfortunately that is just how they do it at Disney Plus. I really wish it was simpler, but they probably do it just to drain even more money, honestly. And also, you want to make sure that whenever you do create your new account, that you use a local payment method from that country, whether that be a credit card from that country, local PayPal, etc. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.